Hi everyone, we are here in Cleveland, Ohio, and we're gonna try that Dagu Rice Noodle restaurant. It's actually for takeout only, so we're just gonna order milk tea, and so let's go check out and let's see how does it taste. So
and then a garden milk Oreo milk tea. That's all.
how much is it? How did you know how much is it?
I don't know.
You just give me money?
What, you gonna not pay for it? Like, oh, I don't want to pay.
You did it.
$6. How?
I'm making a smart person. You're being a smart person, Mr.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Gotta blend in.
I know we're gonna eat
Yeah, where are we gonna eat?
right behind there.
Thank you.
How much is that?
It's like $12.
You got the card? Milk tea.
Oh, that's pretty cool.
Oh, that's a cool lalagyan. Is it good? It looks good. Did you get the taro? Huh? Can I taste it before I get my milk tea? Look at that, guys.
Okay.
Hold on, let me taste it. Yeah, it's okay. I know it's okay, it's great. I like it. What do you call this?
You want it?
Taro milk tea with taro ball. Look, hold on.
I'm
gonna take a picture of it. Hold it first.
Take a picture of it. You have to hold it in your hand.
Yeah, that's great. So he got a taro milk tea with taro balls. Me, I got this milkshake, garden Oreo milk tea.
Being here, we'll still make it a positive.
Yep. Cheers to that.
Cheers to being in Asia.
And you're telling me you don't like it? You finish it all?
I'm just trying to get those taro, whatever you want to call it. I like that. Oops.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, I like it. It's a lot of boats. Parking. There's an RV park and there's a boat park. We're going there here? Oh, I see. Cleveland Metro Parks. It's nice. The marina.
Where the hell is the...
Do you know you can park over there? You know, there's one vacant.
Alright, get your mask on.
This one. Nice view. I like it. The park is over there, oh.
Yeah, we're coming here to eat though.
It's about delicious.
Whatever these like soy-based, whatever. For taste.
You still digging? Keep on digging.
I'm trying to fish.
So, I think... Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it. You can have it. What have you done?
Nothing.
You have to look for it. Vanya. But anyways, you can tell that we really like it. Though our background is really a mess. Right.
That's a road trip. What do you expect?
So yeah, the Dagu Rice Noodle milk tea are great. So for me, 5 out of 5. How about you?
2.5 out of 5.
He's lying.
No, for this one. That one is really good. That's the five.
But you eat all of it. You drink all of it.
What about you put your third away? Cy Young.
For me, it tastes good too. Like for me, 5 out of 5 as well. But after you drink this one, because it's sweeter, then the taste of that was gone.
All right, baby, let's go.
So next will be a restaurant review. I don't know where we at right now. Right there, that's what he said, is a restaurant. We're gonna eat there. So check our next video because I'm gonna do it on a separate one. So see ya.